Hi, so just a quick video to talk through how you could set this up. So the first couple of steps, it seems like the person actually knows what they're doing. So if you're sending this out to a contact list, you could just have your first question be hi, and then for the first name or the participant's name, you can either pull it directly from, you can either pull it directly from an embedded data field if they have it stored as embedded data, or from a contact field if they're sending it to a contact list. Next, you would ask your question saying the email to send to or the recipient's email. And then also you can use the message to send to this participant, obviously, as well as any other questions that they have in the survey. Then what you would do is go to Tools, go to Triggers and Email Triggers. So this will send an email to someone upon survey completion. So I'm going to delete the one I have in here from earlier. We would go to Add Another Trigger, or Add a Trigger. The to email address, we would need to find what they actually have used in this question down here. So we would go to the little pipe text menu. We would go to question 3, which is the one that asks for the email to send to, and we would use the email. Then we would just copy this piece of pipe text and paste it into the to area. So this will dynamically change depending on what email address each participant puts into this box here, and we'll send to those. The from name, you can do the same thing. You can do for example, the recipient's first name. So if they're sending it to a contact list, you can pull in the contact field, first name and last name. First name and last name. Sorry, got lost there. Last name, and paste those into the from name. Now, when it comes to the reply to email address, you will not be able to change that because currently you're sending through the Qualtrics mailer, so it must be a Qualtrics email address unless you're sending this email to anyone that's within your same organization. But if not, it will fail. So leave the reply to email address as a Qualtrics one, but you can, of course, change the from name to be the person's name that's actually sending this to. You would then put in your subject message, and for the email message of the body, you can add in whatever you want. And then we also want to pipe in the message that a participant specified for the email. So you just once again go to pipe text, survey question, this time it's message to send and the message. And this will pipe in whatever they have typed into the message box down here. And obviously you can type whatever you want around this, so you don't just have to have this, you can have whatever you want. And then you can either include the response report so the person can see what's happening, or you don't have to do that and you can apply whatever else you want in the email body. So I hope that answers the question, but if you do have any follow-up questions on this or any issues with the setup, please just let me know.